folks, it's me again, getting tired. I don't know what time it is. Today I'm doing another locking plier review. This time it's Tekton 10-inch curved jaw PLK 100-10 large knurled tension knob with screwdriver through hole. Pull type trigger release for one-handed operation. Jaw capacity 1 inch, 1 3/8. Where's for my glasses? 1 3/8 inch round and 1 1/4 inch rectangle. Tekton, made in Taiwan. These are Taiwanese made. You want to read that? Be my guest. Hit pause, read the whole thing, blah blah blah. So let's see. They basically only wasted one zip tie in this one. Why it takes 2 other zip ties. I would say Tekton name. I like when they embed the name in it. You can see that, because then 45 years from now we'll know whose tool it is. It's burned on, has the model number. It opens just like any other vice grip. They got a little thing here. It says CRMO code number. They're designed same thing. Another vice grip ripoff. Pin here. This one's, it's got what we call it, same pins. I only noticed it's got right in the middle here. It's got the little jaws in there, kind of like a pipe vise. These ones don't have jack shit in the middle, or they usually have the cutters. Not bad. They feel great. They have the the little. It's got the nice big fat knurling on the back. See, you can put your screwdriver through and break whatever the hell you're doing. And I like the fat knurling thing in here. See this, if you look at it, it's got a huge bolt in the back, which, and honestly I can't see any difference in any other one of these things. Like, really? Okay, what's so different that you gotta make another brand of these things? Really? Like, we need 15 brands, right? But who am I to talk? Because this is another one, cheaper than the mainstream brand, but still seems like it's pretty good. Look at this. When you look at the old school vice grip, same curvature. This is different. That's different. Little thing there, pretty much knockoff. Pretty sure vice grip stole this patent from somebody else, or bought it out from one of the older companies that I have. So yeah, Tekton, not bad. I think the Taiwanese have the finish down, because the, what do you call it? The one, where is it? One of my other ones, like, it has that like grittiness, so you get a bit of a grip to it. Some of them, I don't know which one is it. I can't find it. One of them doesn't have. Actually, this one's probably used more, smoother, but not bad. Can't complain. Another El Cheapo locking pliers. Hope you liked that video. Thanks for watching. Toodles.